To add a BlastShield agent on macOS, first go to your orchestrator. In the Manage menu on the left, click on Agents. Then click the red Add New Agent button at the top right. Give your new agent a name and optional DNS hostname. Then click the Save and Download Invitation button and choose the option Save and Copy Linux macOS Installation Command to the clipboard and click on it. Then open a terminal session to your macOS server and paste the command that you just copied to the terminal. Hit enter and the software will automatically download and install. Once it's downloaded and installed, it will auto register with the orchestrator and it will print installation successful when that process is completed. You can check to see if the agent is online by going to your orchestrator and checking the status window of the agent in the orchestrator. And you can see here it's green and it says online. So that completes the installation process for a BlastShield agent on macOS.